guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Happiness if you're new here, and on today's video I'm going to be taking you guys through my morning shower routine as well as my everyday shower routine. Before I start, I would like to mention that I received this package from Zomchi. This product was recently sent to me from a company called Zomchi. I will leave a link direct to their website down in the description box so that you can go and check their details out. Now the sun is behind me, you can't see my face, but it's fine. We move regardless. Today I really struggled waking up, but it's okay. I'm going to do this. Now that I'm back from the gym, let's get into it. But before that, let's unbox this package from Zomchi. This is how the package arrived. Many people seem to think that a regular shower routine is enough, but a very popular and effective choice is an exfoliating bar soap and an exfoliating washcloth like this one from Zomchi. Inside the package, there are two boxes, an exfoliating washcloth and a soap bag. The soap bag comes in two colors, light blue and navy blue. As I was unboxing this, I was immediately impressed with the quality, and the texture was amazing. The exfoliating washcloth also comes as a pair in gray and white. It has one side that is soft and the other one that is for exfoliating. To start off my little shower routine, the first thing I do is obviously oral care. Oil pulling with coconut oil. I have been doing this for the last couple of months, and to be honest, I think I see the benefits, which I will not bring up now in this video as it is not the topic of today. After my oil pulling, I brush my teeth. You guys, I really want to get an electric toothbrush. So if you have any recommendations, please let me know down below in the comment section. As usual, I hop into the shower, wet my body, and then cleanse my face with CeraVe cleanser for 2 minutes and then rinse that off. I will show you how to use the Zomchi soap bag to get rid of all the dead skin cells that accumulate on your body. Just take your bar soap and put it inside the Zomchi bag and work it into a nice lather. Then use circular and long motions to cleanse your body and remove dead skin at the same time. It's not necessary to scrub, as the textured surface of the exfoliating soap bag is enough to exfoliate your skin. I am from the gym. I need to double cleanse, and I'm going to be using this like a pre-wash as my underarms and my gal down there, as well as my backside. So all of these places that I guess you could say harbor a little bit more bacteria than normal, and then rinse that off. Next, I will be using my spring shower gel together with the exfoliating washcloth from Zomchi to make sure that I am squeaky clean. I will be using the gentle side of this exfoliating washcloth to clean myself because I have already exfoliated, and later rinse that off.
Every day is shining bright.
I also did use the gentle side of the exfoliating washcloth to clean behind my ears, in my ears. Usually I would use a cotton swab for this because it's just sound good, but I think the texture of this cloth just makes me feel so good. I would 100% recommend. Honest opinion. In case you decided to start this video in the middle, the link to these products is down in the description box. Click on it. They ship worldwide. Something else I did figure out is that it's just easy to rinse these products off, and you can hang them in the bathroom to dry out. It is officially springtime, and now comes my body care during the spring. I decided to try a different roll-on from Nivea. It has a different scent like spring, like flowers, and I just love that. It's time to go ahead and moisturize. I am using the Cherry Blossom Nivea lotion. I love the smell, and I also added a vanilla scent body cream as well. This body cream is very thick and creamy, which is why I like to use it. Always remember to moisturize after exfoliating to leave your skin feeling nourished. I'm staying home today, so I will be using my Rose Fine Fragrance Mist. This is from Bath and Body Works. Smells like roses. Next, I added one of my favorite perfumes called Predator. I went ahead and dressed up in this red jumpsuit because I felt colorful today. I am applying a moisturizer lip balm in the flavor pomegranate, and it is a vegan product. At this point, I might as well be vegan. I did my face care routine, but I just remembered that I forgot to wear my sunscreen. As a rule, I always say that if you can see the sun can see you. Therefore, always wear your sunscreen. Thanks to editing videos, I can be able to change in the snap of a finger into a different person. Yes. And that is it for today's video. If you got to this point, thank you so much for watching. All those things YouTubers say, do that for me. Always remember to work hard, stay humble, and be disciplined. See you in my next one. Bye.
True, feel so new. Love with you, love with you. Every moment just me and